Hey everybody! I'm here today with a window and door controls tutorial for a Kia Sportage. And these will be easy instructions, so let's get right into this instructional tutorial video. As you can see over here, this is the driver's side door panel. So here's the steering wheel, okay? To the left of the steering wheel over here is the driver's side door panel. So when you're looking at the steering wheel, at this point, when you're looking at the steering wheel, you go left, and that door panel right over here, okay, on the left side of the steering wheel is the driver's side door panel. This is where all of your controls are. Now, it's really simple to explain and use, okay? So you have 4 window buttons over here. These 4 window buttons control the side windows of the vehicle. You can press either of them, or I should say you can press each of them down to roll the window down, or up to roll the window up, okay? If I press this one, it's gonna be the passenger front window. This is going to be the passenger rear window, and this is going to be the driver's side rear window. So you can roll down or up each window using these window controls right here, okay? Down below, this is your window lock. So when you click it down, it engages the window lock. When you unclick it up, it disengages the window lock. When the window lock is engaged, okay, the other people in the vehicle will not be able to operate their windows. So if it is engaged and it is clicked down, then guess what? The other people in the vehicle will not be able to operate their windows. Their windows will be stuck as is. Okay, if you want to allow them to operate their windows, you will unclick it up. Okay, if you want to disallow them from operating their windows and stop them from moving the windows, you can engage it and click it down. And if you want to allow them to operate their windows, you can disengage it and unclick it up. Very simple. So basically, when the window lock is clicked down, the other people in the vehicle won't be able to use their windows. When it is unclicked up, the other people in the vehicle will be able to use their windows. Very simple and straightforward. Moving on to this right here, which is the door lock. So as you can see over here, this is the door lock. You have unlocked and locked. And as you can see, when it is locked over here, that light illuminates. When it is unlocked, the light turns off. When I push this lock button here, it is now locked and the light illuminates, telling you that it is indeed locked. So very simple. It's just like a rocker switch. You can unlock and lock the doors really easily, okay? And last but not least, I know this was just about windows and doors in terms of controlling the windows and doors, but as an added bonus right here, this is the mirror control. So if you slide this lever to the left, you can operate the driver's side mirror. So I can sort of use this button over here to go up, down, or side to side. So I can just like move it up like that, or down, or to the left, or to the right. Very simple. And then if I instead switch this to the other side, now I would do the same thing. If I moved this, if I pressed on these, the passenger side mirror would be moving. So very simple. You can use these buttons to move the mirrors, and then use the lever to choose which side mirror you want to be moving. Very simple and straightforward. And that's basically it. Honestly, it's that simple. That is how to sort of use and operate the windows and door controls in a Kia Sportage. And also, as a bonus, I showed you the mirror controls as well. These have been easy instructions, and I truly hope that you've enjoyed this video. And I got nothing else to say, so we're going to roll the outro. If you like this video tutorial, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment, and of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.